This is my first time to record and show a video of myself doing a wall mural. I've created wall murals since I was 14, but never had any video record or remaining pictures. I made sure that I captured the process this time. The design of the wall mural took inspiration from Ilonggo culture, most evidently from the festive nature of the Dinagyang festival. Since this mural serves as the artistic centerpiece of a restaurant serving Ilonggo cuisine, it's very important that I capture elements that best describe my personal experiences with Ilonggo food, especially with their mouth-watering lapas bachoy, of which is a specialty of the said restaurant. Design elements include the feather headpiece of the Dinagyang festival dancers, the name of the restaurant, and some items from nature such as leaves, water droplets, and a flower. Here's a rough sketch of the design before I created the wall mural, and here's the finished mural. Here's a video of myself preparing the planks where I'll be painting the mural. Finally, here's the time-lapse video of myself creating the mural. Enjoy watching! hope you liked this video. If you do, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.